Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can add a chorus in Suno AI. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and what you're looking for can be found here on the left-hand side where it says create. You can use the box here. If you already have your lyrics prepared, you can pop them in there, but you're probably going to want to come to the create tab because that's where you have the most options. Now come to create and you're going to see here up at the top, we have simple and advanced. If you go to simple, then that's basically the same thing we just saw there on the homepage. So you're going to want to stick to advanced because this is where you can enter in your lyrics and that's where you're going to put in your chorus. So you can enter that in there. You've got your styles down here. You've got more options. You can add the title. You can specify things like male or female singer, weirdness, style influence. You can play with these toggles here and see what kind of results you get. But as far as putting a chorus in, it's fairly straightforward. You're just going to enter it in there. Now, if you are looking for some help, then what you might want to do is you might want to click here where it says, help me with the lyrics. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And this is where you can actually type in, if you're looking for help creating a song, then you can actually type in what your idea is and Suno will help you actually write the lyrics yourself. Now, if you have a song that you want to add a chorus to, then what you can do is you can come over to any song, and if we scroll over it, then you're going to see we've got our remix option. We have also got these three little dots right here. So you can see here we've also got the remix option here, and this is just a little faster way of getting there. But you can create a cover of the song, or you can edit and you can extend, remove sections, do a variety of things here. You can open up the editor, and in the editor, you can actually add a chorus to a song if you need to do that. So we'll just let that think here for a moment. You can see here on the left-hand side, we've got our lyrics. And so from here, if you want to add some additional lyrics, then you can do that. So if you just open that up and then here where it says replace lyrics, then you can see here that we can edit the lyrics that we have. So if you have a chorus that you want to add, then you could put that in there and then hit replace, and it will actually replace a specific section of the song. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our promo code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.